Monday. How many oil barrels are exported on Monday, children? Observe the question. 14,347. 14,347. So Monday will be completed. Now which day? Tuesday. So right here, number of oil barrels exported on Tuesday. Observe the question. How many oil barrels are exported on Tuesday? 52,400. So right here, 52,400. So now we find out how many oil barrels were left in the end. So we will find out how many oil barrels were left in the ad. Were left in the ad. Okay, I explain one example, children. See here. Totally you have 10 apples. Totally you have 10 apples. And your brother take the 3 apples. Your sister take the 2 apples. Your brother take the 3 apples. Your brother take the 2 apples. Your sister. So how many left in your hand apples? How many apples are now you have? So totally you have 10 apples. Your brother take the 3. Your sister take the 2. So first you find out your brother and sister take how many apples. So 3 plus 2, 5. So your brother and sister have 5 apples. So total number of apples and your brother and sister take the apples are minus. You do the subtraction. Remaining apples are 5. You do. You have remaining. You have apples are 5. So on that way, like you write some. Like that way you do the sum here. First number of oil barrels exported on Monday. Number of oil barrels exported on Tuesday. That 2 you will be do the addition plus. Addition means plus. So right here number of oil barrels exported on Monday. Exported on Monday plus number of oil barrels exported on Tuesday. So first you find out Monday and Tuesday exported oil barrels totally how many? Monday and Tuesday exported oil barrels totally how many? So here number of oil barrels exported on Monday and Tuesday. Exported on Monday and Tuesday. So here, how many total number of barrels? 1,72,386 minus number of oil barrels exported on Monday, Tuesday. How many will become? 60,747. So you do the subtraction. These two numbers. 1,72,386, 66,747. So you do the subtraction here. 6 minus 7 is possible, children? No, not possible. So that 6 is taking one number borrowing from 8. That one means 10. 10 plus 6, 16. So 7 after becomes 16. Count 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 9 fingers are open. Right here. So this 8 already one number give to 6. One number borrowing is give to 6. So remaining 7 is there. So take 7 fingers, close 4 fingers, remaining 3. Right here 3. So 3 minus 7 possible? No. So this 3 is taking one number borrowing to 2. 1 means 10, 10 plus 3, 13. So that 2 is one number borrowing is given to 3. Remaining is 1 is there. So 7 after 13 becomes 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 6 fingers are open. So right here 6. 1 minus 6 possible? No. So 1 means taking borrowing from 7. 1 number. So that 1 means 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 6 after becomes 11. Count the fingers 6 after. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 5 fingers are open. So right here. So in this place, 7 already one number is given to one borrowing this one. So remaining 6 is there. So remaining 6 is right here. Take 6 fingers. Next number 6 close fingers. 0. So here 1 write directly. So 1,05,639. So here answer is 1,05,639. So you write here oil barrels were left in ad. In the ad. Okay, children. So how many left barrels are left in the ad? 1,05,639. So this one after you write. There are last conclusion, children. There are 1,05,639 oil barrels were left